Hello, I'm Kirk Zarowski with Tippin Zarowski Law Firm, and I'm here to talk to you today about a few things you should avoid doing if you've been in a car accident. The first thing you should avoid doing is talking a lot at the accident scene, particularly to the other driver that hit you. You don't want to say to the driver that hit you, "I never saw you." This gives their insurance company a reason to deny your case. Here's why. North Carolina is a contributory negligence state, which means if you're more than 1% at fault, they can deny your claim for negligence. South Carolina is what's called a comparative negligence state, which means if you're more than 50% at fault, they can also deny your case. So after you talk to the police officer telling simply the facts, that should be the end of all conversations at the accident scene for you. After the accident itself has happened, don't wait to get medical treatment and try to tough it out. Get medical treatment as soon as possible. Medical treatment on the day of the accident documents, one, that you were hurt in the accident, two, that you were hurt seriously enough to see medical professionals, and three, creates a record of exactly what your injuries are for an insurance company to read. After the accident happens, a lot of times that same liability insurance company for the driver that hit you will call you up and want to do a recorded statement. This is a way for them to get the facts kind of slid in the way most favorable to them. They are trained at giving statements that would possibly make you look at fault in an accident, trying to do things like you didn't see the other driver or just make you look like you weren't driving safely. Another thing you should avoid doing is when paperwork comes in the mail, sometimes this is what's called a scheduled release, which essentially would cap your recovery in an accident. You want to avoid signing anything in an accident until you talk to Tippins and Zarowski. That is the biggest mistake you can make after you've been involved in an auto accident, is not calling Tippins and Zarowski. We have practiced personal injury, workers' compensation law for over 20 years in Charlotte, North Carolina, and South Carolina. We have trained attorneys and staff that can advise you on what you should do and should not do in an accident. We can get you referred for medical care. We can talk to you about your property damage. Whatever you do, just call Tippins and Zarowski. We can help you.